Hello, I'm Julieta. I'm a children's author, and I'd like to tell you about the Creative Elementals project that we're raising funds for. In these workshops, it's a series of 5 workshops, and we aim to create a connection between children and nature. And we do this through allowing them to explore nature, but also explore their own creativity. So, for example, in the fire workshop, which is the first workshop of the series of 5, children will get in there and build a fire, and they'll learn about the local wood, the local trees. And after we've got the fire going, we reflect on the properties of fire, and then we create stories. So each child will be able to create a fire character and then present that fire character to the group. So in each of the workshops, children have this chance to explore a different aspect of nature, connect creatively, and share their creations. We like to build a community too, where extending these workshops to home education groups, and parents and guardians do attend. And this allows the home ed community to connect. And often we find that the parents or guardians will go away, and throughout the week between workshops, they will actually use the what we learned at the workshop as a teaching tool, and the children will come up with something creative and bring it to the next workshop the next week. So we find these workshops are inspiring learning between workshops as well. So we would love to have some proper funding for this. We have run pilot projects on a shoestring, but we'd really like to get high quality materials that the children could use. We also do have costs such as firewood and venue. We hope to run these next workshops at Abington Woods, which is a beautiful venue. And at the end of the series of 5, we present a book like this one. We would like to provide a book like this one for every single family that has attended. And the book actually has poems from the children, drawings from the children, and and for the first time, if we do have enough funds, we'll be able to print out the children's creative works and display them in an art show. And Thrive Cafe in Cambridge has already agreed to display this art show, and that would just be so exciting for the children. I think they would find that really empowering. So if you can help us, we would just appreciate it so much. We hope to run these workshops from March 9th. That as long as government guidelines relax a bit, we can start them March 9th. Otherwise, we will start them as soon as we are able. So thank you for listening to this message. Thank you for any support, and may you connect with nature and with creativity. Bye.